Welcome to imlo.ai demo. So today we're going to present you with a problem of a specific Uzbek region, Uzbekistan. We're having this problem of having two mixed alphabets used for the same language, and sometimes it really breaks the query engines. Here is an example of the website that has been made in a Cyrillic Uzbek, and we're giving it Latin query search, and it's failing. Next, let's try another website. It's a real website, our e-commerce website, and we're going to try, it's a Latin website, so we're going to try a Cyrillic version of the product, and there's nothing. But if we try to search for the product, for the same product but with a Latin alphabet, it's going to give us correct results. So this is a problem of losing money because of the search engine. The next example is MyGovos, because Uzum is working fine and it's passing our test. For MyGovos, we're copying it. MyGovos, by the way, is the portal of government services, and we're going to search for the stuff, and it's not finding it. There are no correct results. And the final one is the Open Infos. It's a corporate disclosure for website. It's an open source website. So let's try to search for the company name written in Cyrillic Uzbek. No results. Now let's try to do the same for the Latin Uzbek, and it's finding the company. So it does exist in their database. I think we have, yeah, it does exist. So now our solution is how to fix it is imlo.ai. Here we have example for the abbreviation. Oh wait, it's scanning. By the way, we're using the same example from here, from the issuer's profile. So we're using their backend API to scan and to imitate the backend of the Open Info and try to find if it's going to work for us or no. And okay, so this is the API we're using, and this is how it looks like, the response. Yeah, lots of information. Now we fed imlo with the 300 objects from this API, and now we go and try to search. This is the regular Open Info query API to the API, and this is the API with imlo integrated in the database. Now, if we search for the abbreviation, it's an abbreviation for joint stock company here. It's not finding it because it's expecting, as we can see here, the full version. Now another example of Cyrillic Russian search, and yep, it's giving us the result, correct result. Here with translation, it says National Bank of Uzbekistan in Russian, and it's finding it by translating the version. Here AI mostly is doing a retrieval work. In the database, it has scanned and found the correct match from Russian. Now the semantic search here, the user is not giving the direct company name, it's just saying Korean bank in Uzbekistan, and we don't have many Korean banks in Uzbekistan, so it's going to be easy to find. But as you can see, the ordinary search doesn't give anything, but imlo is giving us. For make it more resilient search, let's try to use something off the script. Let's try to find this company from OpenInfo API. Okay, so in this case, since we took it fully from here, it's finding it and it's completely working for the ordinary search and imlo.ai. But let's try to complicate our lives and take this part and translate it to Russian, and we're going to use a Russian version partially and Uzbek version partially. And here we go. It's very normal for Uzbek users to do this kind of searches. So here, as you can see, imlo is very resistant. It's finding it. It's taking a bit time because of my internet speed, but in general, in a good internet speed, it's going to work fine. And let's do, so it's a tech bank, so, and it's also commercial bank. So what do we do is we try a semantic search. For the semantic search, we're going to say tech bank private in Russian. Imlo right now, we're mostly working between Russian and Uzbek and Cyrillic Latin. So yeah, this is it. Thank you very much. So as you can see, it was a imlo.ai team